Hey guys, Nick here from VTax Australia. I'm going to show you how to find your work deductions or business expenses very quickly without having to wade through thousands of receipts and enter them all into a spreadsheet. Now, most people these days don't use cash, they use a card, which means out there somewhere there's already a spreadsheet with all of your information in it. So what I'm going to show you how to do today is to log into your bank and export those transactions and delete anything that's personal, so you've only got your work deductions and you can send that to your accountant. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm already logged into my account here, and what we're going to do is do a search for last financial year. Commonwealth Bank have a search field just here. I'm going to click on the drop down. They've also got a really cool financial year template, so I want last financial year. If your bank platform doesn't have that, then you can just choose the dates that you want to use. And we're going from the 1st of July 2017 to the 30th of June 2018. Click search and that'll bring up all of the transactions, everything, and that's fine, you want everything. Then we're going to export it to a spreadsheet. Commonwealth has an export button at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to export those transactions. It's downloaded and I'm going to open it in Excel. Don't worry if you don't have Excel. You can just log into Google Sheets, which is free. You can access it through your web browser, and then you can open that file you've just downloaded and do exactly what I'm about to do in Excel, only in Google Sheets. And as I said, it's completely free. Alright, so what you'll notice is there's 4 columns. And we don't need the 4th one, that's just the running balance. So I'm going to delete that, that's not relevant to what we're doing. The first column has the date, the second column has the amounts in and out of your bank account or credit card, and the third column has the description, normally of the vendor's name. And what we're going to do is we're going to select all of those 3 columns and we're going to sort them by description, which is column C. Sort by column C. And now we have everything in alphabetical order. All we need to do is go through, find the vendors that are personal and delete them. Okay, so Aldi stores, that's all personal. But just at the bottom there's Aldi mobile. And I do use my mobile for work, so I'm going to leave that in and delete the Aldi store stuff. Done. Then a Mason, that's also a mobile provider, which I used until I switched to Aldi. The next one which is relevant is BP, that's fuel. I do use my car for work. Okay, I'm going to delete those columns. Delete those rows, I beg your pardon. Brouhaha or Brouha is a cafe, delete those. And you just go through like this, deleting anything that's personal. Okay. Dan Murphy's, obviously I can't claim booze for my work. Coles, probably not. Coffee Club, no. City of Kalamunda, no. Chemist Warehouse, no. Cellmate, no. So I'm just deleting all of these. I'm going to leave Caltex in, that's fuel again. And just keep going like that until you finish. Then what you can do is you can use a 1-word category, or maybe 2 words at most, to just explain to your accountant what it is. So Aldi Mobile, I'm just going to put phone in the first free column. And then I can click and drag down. See how easy this is. The other cool thing is once you've typed in something once, you can just start typing and it guesses what you're trying to type, and you just hit enter. So let's go P, enter, fuel, F, enter, and you just go down like that. Now with phone and fuel, I'm only claiming a percentage. With the phone, I should keep a 4-week diary just to figure out the percentage of business or work calls. I'm just going to put say for example 66% work, and then I'll drag that down for all the phone stuff. My car, I kept a logbook, I kept it for 12 weeks, and it turns out I use my car for work 74%, so I just put 74% work, and you could probably say as per logbook. There we go. Now that's all we need to give our accountant. You do that for all the categories and you can send that to your accountant. How much time does that save you? I mean, it's far easier than finding all the receipts, and also with receipts, you know you're always going to lose some. Whereas if you just log into your bank or credit card, you could probably knock this off in an hour or so, depending on how many transactions there are, and you know you've not missed anything. Alright, well thanks for watching guys. If you've got any questions, contact me at VTax Australia. I'd be happy to help. Thanks very much. Bye.